Windows behavior in ARC. You can access the review windows by clicking on the Windows option in the top toolbar of the ARC review screen. This gives us several different options: synopsis, associated documents, highlights, persist, record edit window, review window, and adding and removing traces. There are other options as well. The event list currently is pinned to the right, so you have tabs to the right and to the left that are pinned to the side. Patient information window. You'll notice that when I hover over these windows, they appear. When I remove my mouse, they disappear. Now I can get them to stay by selecting the widget in the title bar of the window and selecting Dock. You'll also notice that there are other options. There's the auto hide, which means pinning to the side of the screen. There's also the float, and we'll come back to that. You'll also notice that I have a 10-second screen, and if I hover, it covers that last half a second. But if I dock it, it adjusts the screen so that it still shows the full 10 seconds. Now, one of my other options is to float the window, and you'll notice that if I float the window, now it does cover the EEG, whereas with docking, the window adjusted so that no EEG was covered. Now, with floating the screen, you'll notice that I can grab the toolbar up here and I can move it pretty much anywhere on the screen. You'll also notice that several different little icons appear as little monitors with directions. And so what this is telling me is that I can dock the screen at the top, I can grab it, and I can dock it at the bottom, I can dock it to the left. So if I have two windows, it acts a little bit different. I can get the same dock to the top, left, right, but I also have the option to dock it to the left, right, or under another window. So this is a good way to set up your screen to stack or tile windows. Now I can add more windows, so I'm going to add synopsis trends, I'm going to add highlights, and you can see that any of these can be floated, docked, or pinned to the side, just the same as the event lists were. And that concludes the review of the Windows behavior.